Welcome to Frost and Sullivan's Growth Podcast. In today's episode, we examine how digital technologies are transforming intelligent and secure public spaces and what that means for the future of cities, transportation hubs, tourism destinations, and civic environments. Public spaces are no longer simply physical infrastructure. They are becoming connected, data-driven ecosystems where mobility, security, and user experience increasingly depend on digital intelligence. As artificial intelligence, connected sensing, and digital identity technologies continue to evolve, public environments are entering a new phase of transformation. So, what will the next generation of public spaces look like?
A new operating model for public spaces. For many years, digital transformation in public environments focused on individual technology deployments. A camera network here, a mobile application there, a digital kiosk somewhere else. What's changing now is the move toward integration. Public spaces are evolving into operational ecosystems where data, identity, mobility, and engagement platforms work together in real time. Airports, transportation networks, tourism destinations, and civic environments are increasingly being designed around connected experiences rather than isolated technologies. This shift is changing not only how public spaces are managed, but also how people move through and interact with them.
The connected citizen changes expectations. Citizen expectations are also evolving rapidly. People increasingly expect the same level of personalization, convenience, and responsiveness from public environments that they experience in digital commerce and consumer applications. Real-time guidance, contextual recommendations, frictionless access, and intuitive digital interactions are becoming increasingly important. At the same time, trust is becoming equally critical. As public spaces become more connected and data-intensive, citizens expect stronger privacy protections, secure digital identities, and transparent use of their information. This creates an important challenge for operators. How do organizations deliver highly personalized and intelligent experiences while maintaining security, privacy, and digital trust? The answer increasingly lies in integrated digital ecosystems.
Technology is turning infrastructure into intelligence. Several technologies are accelerating this transformation. Artificial intelligence and analytics are improving operational visibility and enabling predictive decision-making. Internet of Things technologies and connected sensing platforms are generating real-time insights into traffic flows, asset performance, and crowd behavior. Digital twins are helping operators visualize and optimize increasingly complex environments. Digital identity technologies are enabling secure and frictionless access across airports, transportation hubs, and public services. Together, these technologies are replacing fragmented and reactive operating models with environments that are increasingly predictive, responsive, and autonomous. In many ways, public infrastructure is becoming intelligent infrastructure.
The future is already taking shape. Early signals of this future are already visible. By the end of this decade, digital identity wallets and biometric credentials could make ready-to-fly airport journeys a mainstream reality. Artificial intelligence systems may increasingly anticipate crowd movements before congestion occurs, enabling dynamic management of transportation systems in public spaces. Conversational AI and multilingual virtual assistants are expected to deliver highly personalized recommendations and location-aware services. Roads themselves are also becoming intelligent ecosystems through vehicle-to-everything technologies and cooperative intelligent transport systems. These developments point toward a future where public environments continuously adapt to changing conditions and individual needs.
Where will growth come from? As intelligent public environments continue to evolve, two opportunities are becoming increasingly attractive. The first is AI-powered public space intelligence platforms. These platforms are emerging as the digital control layer for complex environments, integrating analytics, sensing technologies, and real-time operational intelligence to improve safety, efficiency, and responsiveness. The second is digital identity and frictionless access ecosystems. Digital identity wallets, biometrics, and verifiable credentials are fundamentally changing how people access and move through public spaces while strengthening trust and security. The organizations that successfully combine operational intelligence, trusted digital identity, and connected infrastructure will be best positioned to create safer, more efficient, and more personalized public experiences.
Looking ahead, perhaps the most important takeaway is this. The future of public infrastructure will not be defined by individual technologies. It will be defined by how effectively organizations connect technologies, data, and experiences into integrated ecosystems. The next generation of public spaces will increasingly be intelligent, responsive, and experience-led. And as cities, airports, and transportation systems continue to compete for investment, tourism, and talent, the ability to deliver seamless and trusted digital experiences may become one of the defining characteristics of future-ready public environments.
Thanks for joining us on Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. Digital technologies are fundamentally reshaping how public spaces are designed, managed, and experienced. Understanding these shifts today can help organizations identify new opportunities and build the connected and intelligent environments of tomorrow. For access to our research, competitive benchmarking, and best practice frameworks, head over to frost.com or email hello@frost.com. We'll be back soon with more conversations exploring the technologies, strategic imperatives, and growth opportunities shaping industries around the world.